Hey y'all, it's Mamie back with another travel tip. When you're taking your cruise, be sure as soon as you get on that boat to put your phone in airplane mode. And the reason why we would do this is to avoid getting any other charges like roaming. Your phone is quickly going to go into roaming. Once you leave that port, it goes into roaming, and you don't want to get any surprises when you get home, because I'm going to tell you that I have known many of people that forgot or was on the phone making a lot of phone calls while they were cruising and got home and got $400, $500, and even $1,000 bills when they returned home. So be wise, be smart, have an awesome time, and put your phone on airplane mode so you do not get those roaming fees, okay? Enjoy your trip. I did. See you in the next video.